Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in peace.
Hey, welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Do you guys need some cleaning motivation today? I have just the video for you. We are going to start out in my, as normal, dirty kitchen, and then we are going to take down some fall decorations. I almost said directions, y'all. We're going to take down some fall decorations, and we're going to finish up by some quick laundry motivation. I needed to get all of the fall decorations out, and obviously my kitchen needed a good clean down. And then next, I'll go through and get my whole house cleaned up, and it's time to decorate for Christmas. So those are kind of videos that I have coming in the very near future. But for now, let's focus on getting my kitchen cleaned up.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time. Dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me. Yeah, I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the
All right, guys, I'm so excited. At the time that I am editing this video, my channel, or I should say our channel, is up to 177 subscribers. Thank you all so much. You guys are the one that's helping me grow and helping me stay motivated to create good cleaning videos for you. And I just wanted to tell you thank you so much for showing up whenever I post a video. Thank you for liking the videos, for your comments, and most of all, thank you for watching multiple videos. I can see it in my analytics, and it warms my heart to know how much that you are helping myself and my family.
One more Saturday night, you're wearing them jeans so tight. I'll keep waiting for the perfect moment when you're dancing like that, with that shirt and that hat. God, I'll need just one more drink to calm down. Ooh, you know I need you. What can I do to reach you? Oh girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind. And baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me would fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine. And girl, we'd be unbreakable. We could leave this place, stay in bed for days. You'd be my Yoko and I'd be your John. You'd show your secret tattoo, maybe I'd get one too. You and me can start a whole new chapter. Oh, when you smile at me, I can feel the whole world turning. Oh girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind. And baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me would fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine. And girl, we'd be unbreakable. We'll get past Sunday morning. There's a future for us that's dawning. Oh girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind. And baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me would fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine. And girl, we'd be unbreakable. Oh girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind. And baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me would fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine. And girl, we'd be unbreakable.
As a way to get to know you all better, tell me a little bit about your favorite TV shows that you're watching right now. I watch a lot of different shows on my DVR so that I can fast forward through the commercials. But I'd love to hear about new TV shows that I may be missing. And it can be on Netflix, it can be on Prime, it can be on Hulu, it can be on regular TV. Just let me know what you guys are currently watching right now.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight, this or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or this or this or this or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
All right, we are moving right along in my to-do list. Kitchen is clean, fall decorations are going out the door, and next up, we have a little bit of laundry to finish. You guys, coming up, it's so funny. You can see why my bed is always a disaster. My cat, Allie, loves to play hide and go seek.
Not long ago, you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know it did you wrong, wish I could take.
All right, guys, we're coming up to the end of today's video. I will be back on Sunday with lots more cleaning motivation, but I wanted to tell you two things. Thank you so much for following along, and don't forget, Jesus loves you.